A brown, ugly stain on the ceiling is a sure sign that you've got a roof leak. The challenge is finding where the water is entering the house. Now, I've discovered a leak downstairs, and there was a stain on the ceiling, but it was down near the wall. When I came up into the attic and I looked around, I noticed this all looks perfectly clean and dry. But the more I investigated, I discovered that we have a leak right here. If you look closely, you can see there's a stain, a pretty big stain too, on both sides of this rafter. So what was happening is water was leaking through the roof, running down the top of this rafter, but it wasn't leaking, dripping off and leaking it onto the ceiling until it got down here. And that's the reason I found the stain near the wall. So the point is, when you have a leak and you see the stain on the ceiling, the leak in the roof might not be directly above it. In fact, it seldom is. So the thing to remember is, come up into the attic and investigate areas all around, especially higher up on the roof plane. Now, the best time to check it out, of course, is during a rainstorm, but if you can't do that, have a friend or neighbor get outside with a garden hose and soak the roof while you stay up here with a flashlight and look around, and I'm sure you'll find that leak yourself.